Welcome to Chuttistar Creations. Let us take a quiz on the ingredients used in Indian cooking and improve our knowledge. Question 1. Which Indian spice is known for its vibrant yellow color and is commonly used in curries and rice dishes? Is it cumin or turmeric or coriander or fenugreek? And the correct answer is turmeric. Question 2. What is the name of the oven commonly used in Indian cooking to make roasted dishes? Is it kiln or grill or tandoor or microwave? And the correct answer is tandoor. Question 3. What is the primary ingredient in traditional Indian flatbreads like naan and roti? Is it rice flour or cornmeal or wheat flour that is atta? Or chickpea flour that is besan? And the answer is wheat flour, which is atta. Question 4. In Indian cuisine, what is the term for a mixture of ground spices and herbs used as a base for many dishes? Is it herb blend or seasoning salt or spice mix masala or flavor powder? And the answer is spice mix masala. Question 5. Which popular Indian dish consists of deep-fried balls made from chickpea flour and served with chutney, sauce or yogurt? Is the answer biryani or tikka masala or samosa or pakoras? And the correct answer is pakoras. Question 6. What is the process of slow cooking marinated meat or vegetables in a spiced yogurt or tomato-based sauce called in Indian cooking? Is the answer grilling, or boiling, or stir-frying, or braising? And the correct answer is braising. Now question 7. In South Indian cuisine, what is the thin, pancake-like dish made from fermented rice and lentil batter called? Is the answer paratha, or dosa, or roti, or naan? And the correct answer is dosa. Question 8. What is the main ingredient in the popular Indian street food dish samosa? Is the correct answer potatoes, or chickpeas, or lentils, or spinach? And the correct answer is potatoes. Question 9. Which Indian dessert is made from condensed milk? sugar, and cardamom, often garnished with nuts? Is the answer jalebi, or gulab jamun, or rasgulla, or kheer, which is rice pudding? The answer is kheer, which is rice pudding. Question 10. What is the term for the clarified butter used in many Indian recipes, especially in North Indian cuisine? Is the answer oil, or butter, or ghee, or coconut oil? And the correct answer is ghee. We have come to the end of this quiz. Hope you enjoyed it. For more videos, please subscribe to Chuttistar Creations.